Today I will show you how to connect Salesforce to Trailhead. Before start the main video, I want to tell you what is Trailhead. Well, Trailhead is Salesforce's official online learning platform designed to teach users everything about Salesforce from basic to advanced. Let's jump on video. First, go to trailhead.salesforce.com and log in with your Salesforce or email account. Now open any module or challenge. On the right-hand side, you'll see the Launch button. Click on the drop-down and choose Create a Playground if you don't have one yet. Trailhead will take a few seconds to create your playground. Once it's ready, click Launch. If you already have a Salesforce Developer Edition org, click the drop-down and choose Connect Org. Then log in to your DE org and it will be linked. After logging in, Trailhead will automatically connect your org, and you're ready to start completing hands-on challenges. That's it. Thanks for watching.